Hello, this is Mr. Gibson, and I'm going over this problem from the homework. It says here, businesses that offer repayment plans for purchases are required by law to disclose the interest rate, but that doesn't mean they go out of their way to let you know what it is. You have to read all the paperwork. Find the interest rate for the following purchase. For a 312 square foot family room, you choose carpet that costs $1.23 per square foot. The tax rate is 6.4%, and you're offered 24 payments of $27.37. Round to one decimal place if necessary. Okay, first of all, for this type of problem, we need to find the principal. Now, the principal is basically determined by what the original price would be. So this is where we would take the 312 square feet, multiply by the $1.23, and then also find out the tax on this as well. So let me show you how this is done. So we would take the 312 and then multiply it by the $1.23. Let's see, maybe I could get everything in one frame here. So we'll take the 312 multiplied by 123. We'll put it in our calculator. And that would give us $383.76. Now, we have to take into account the tax rate. The tax rate is 6.4%. So remember, we want to find the principal by multiplying the square footage times the price, and then also the tax rate. So what we would do is multiply this by 0.064, which is the tax rate. Which would give us $24.56, and then we would add the two values together, the tax on the item plus the cost of the item. So our new value, after adding the $383.76 and the $24.56, our principal would equal to $408.32. So that would be our principal. Now, we're going to take the second values here, which said it's 24 payments of $27.37. Now, this will let us know how much our future value is, because this is how much we would end up paying back. So we would take 24 times $27.37. So we'll put that in our calculator. And that would give us, our future value would be $656.88. So now, we need to do our formula, the future value formula. A is equal to principal times 1 plus the rate times time. Now, the future value we have here, which is $656.88, and that is equal to the principal, which is $408.32, times 1 plus, we don't know the rate or the interest rate. And our time, remember, is 24 months. So 24 months is really 2 years. So we know our T is in years. Now, we would take this value here. Let me stress this out a little bit. Okay. Now, we would take this value here, 656.88, and we would take this $408.32 and multiply it by what's inside this parenthesis. So we have $408.32, this 408.32 times 1, plus this is R times 2, so we'll take 2 times this here, which would be $816.64 times R. Now we will subtract $408.32. So this will give us, let's see, this will give us $248.56. is equal to 816.64 R. Now, we'll divide each side by 816.64. And then we will put that in our calculator. So we will add 248.56 divided by 816.64. And that would give us, if we round this to 3 decimal places, that'll give us 0.304 is approximately equal to R. And we would change this to a percent, so that'll be 30.4%. So that gave us 30.4%. So now we would input our answer as 30.4. And we will click check our answer. And if you notice, we got it correct here. So we are done.